So to create your international TikTok account, first things first, we're going to create a new Gmail, right? So I'm going to click on my Gmail. And I'm going to click at the top right, okay? Then I'm going to scroll up to this part that says add another account. Click on it. Now I'm going to click on Google. Okay, now I'm going to verify that it's me. I'm going to put in my PIN and I'll be back. And I'll click on continue. This part that says create account, I'm going to click on it for my personal use. Now I'm going to put in the first name and also the surname. I'm just going to put Ajuri Tutorials. I'm going to click on next. And I'm just going to put in my birthday and I'm going to click next. Okay, so it's going to come up with different names for your email address. I'm just going to click on any one or create my own. So I'm just going to create my own. And I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to create a strong password as well. And I'm going to click on next. So this is what my screen looks like. I'm just going to say not now because I don't want to save it. I'm going to click on next, okay? I'm going to click on next. I'm going to click on this one. Now I'm just going to scroll upwards. Then I'll click on accept all. Okay, I'm also going to swipe up, then click on confirm. Scroll up again and click on I agree. Now you can see, if I click on these parts, you can see that our new account has been added, which is this one. You can see it's Ajuri Tutorials. So a new email address has been created. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to our TikTok app, click on it, click on your profile here. Now it's going to bring you to your main page, okay? On your main page, click on these three dots. Once you click on the three lines, just click on settings and privacy. Now it's going to bring you here. You're going to scroll down to this bottom part that says log out. This part that says log out, click on log out. Okay, click on log out again. And it's going to bring you back into TikTok. You're going to click on profile. After clicking on sign up, okay, you're going to come over. It's going to bring you over here. Once it brings you over here, please see this part that says Nigeria. Click on it. Now it's going to take you to this part where you're going to see list of countries, right? So just swipe up, swipe down to where you're going to see United Kingdom. See United Kingdom. I'm going to click on United Kingdom. Now you can see that at the bottom here, it has changed to United Kingdom. Now what you're going to do now is you're going to click on continue with Google. Now it's going to take you to a list of where you have all your emails, right? So I'm just going to scroll up and click on the new account I just created, the new email account I just created. I'll click on it. Now I'm going to set my birthday. I'm going to set my birthday. I'm going to click on continue. Now you're going to see the name. You can create your nickname. So I'm just going to change it to, or let me just leave it at that. Click on continue. So it's going to bring you now to your home page. Let me pause this. It's going to bring you here. Now let's click on profile. Like our UK account. Now you can see this part that says allow phone number, allow contact to find you. You're going to click on no. we're going to confirm if this account is a UK account. Okay, so what we're going to do is to click on the three lines. Now we're going to go over to TikTok Studio. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see this Creators Reward Program. Can you see it? So we have the Creators Reward Program. We also have the TikTok. We also have the TikTok Shop for Seller. Now, let's still confirm if this is a UK account. So go over to Settings and Privacy. Click on it. Then go over to Accounts. Click on Accounts. Now, you're going to go over to Account Information. Now you can see that the account region is showing United Kingdom. That means this is a UK account, right? Your account region is United Kingdom. So you're going to go back. Then you're going to click on password. Okay, you're going to create a new password. I'm going to click add my password, and I'm going to click on continue. I'll be back. I'll click on continue. And boom, your UK TikTok account has been successfully created. So for you to still be sure, okay, there are two ways for you to check if this account is a foreign account or a UK account or not. The first way is to go over to these three lines, click on it, go to TikTok Studio, click on it. You're going to see that Creator Rewards Program. Okay, once you see this Creator Rewards Program, that's when you know that yes, your account is a UK account. Creator Rewards Program is there. Then this second one is TikTok Shop for Seller is also there. So this is a UK account, so it can actually monetize from the views. Then the second way for you to also check is for you to go back, then go over to this Settings and Privacy. Okay, then you click on Accounts. When you click on Accounts, you go over to this Account Information. Now you're going to see the region is showing United Kingdom. So remind you, okay, sometimes when you open your new TikTok, that's it, UK TikTok, right? It's going to show you a notification for you to verify your email address. Okay, like a pop-up notification is going to come up for you to go over to your email. So it's just for you to minimize your screen, go over to your email, right? The new email address you just created, and you're going to see a password, usually 6 digits. So you need to use that 6-digit password, come over and paste it in the boxes that will be provided for you to verify your email address, right? But in this case, they did not send me. So I've also changed my password. That means my account is secure and account is a UK account. So if they ask you to allow contacts, please do not allow your contacts, okay? Don't allow contacts so that you're going to be seen. Now, make sure before you start posting on your new TikTok account or international account, make sure that you use your TikTok, right? Go over to your home page, use it and search for things, use it and follow other people, and all of that. So you can see that the things I'm saying are UK based videos, right? You can see all these are UK creators. So that is what I'm seeing on my FYP. These are UK creators. You can see them. So this is another example because they are using based on my location to suggest content to me. So most of the content you'll be seeing are UK based content. So you need to start following your own. You need to start searching for the creators you want to follow and all of that. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this, and I'll see you definitely in one of the videos right now on your screen. And if you still don't know how to do it, I can guide you one-on-one to create your UK TikTok account. Send me a DM top left of your screen. Send me a DM on Instagram and I'll be helpful for a token. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.